Hey there, fabulous retirees. Ever heard of health savings accounts, or HSAs for short? If not, buckle up, because HSAs might just be your new financial BFF. Now, I know what you're thinking. HSAs? Isn't that just a fancy word for a piggy bank? Well, not quite. Imagine a magical piggy bank that not only saves your money but also gives you tax benefits and grows like Jack's beanstalk. Tempting, right? Here's the scoop. An HSA is a tax-advantaged account specifically designed to help you save for medical expenses. But wait, there's more. It's like the Swiss Army knife of retirement tools. You get tax-deductible contributions, tax-free earnings, and tax-free withdrawals for qualified medical expenses. It's a triple tax treat. Think about it. As we gracefully age like fine wine, medical costs can start to rack up. An HSA is like your financial shield, ready to swoop in and cover those unexpected medical bills. And what's better? If you're 65 or older, you can use your HSA funds for non-medical expenses too, just like a regular IRA. Minus a teensy bit of taxes, of course. But hey, no penalties. But wait, there's even more goodness. Unlike a traditional IRA or 401(k), there are no required minimum distributions for HSAs. That's right, nobody's forcing you to take out money if you don't need it. You get to let it grow and grow, like your grandkids' toy collection. And speaking of growing, here's a pro tip. Invest your HSA funds. Many HSAs offer investment options, so your money isn't just sitting there twiddling its thumbs. It's out there working hard, just like you did all those years. So, in a nutshell, HSAs are like that secret ingredient in Grandma's famous recipe. They might seem simple at first glance, but they pack a powerful punch. They offer flexibility, tax benefits, and support when you need it most. All right, time to wrap it up. If you haven't considered an HSA as part of your retirement plan, it's time to take a closer look. Your future self might just send you a thank you card, or better yet, a postcard from that dream vacation you'll be able to afford. Thanks for tuning in, and happy saving. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more retirement tips. See you next time.